So, I wonder what I should do today. What is this? Where we at? What was that thing? And where did it go? I want my gold back. I was hoping to make a friend. It gets very lonely on this island. What's going on? I guess it's time for the daily rituals. Some days I wonder if it's better to not be saved. The island is almost too beautiful to leave. Guess it's time for lunch. Time for some fishing. What was that all about? It's okay, I got mine. Guess I should cook it first. It's okay, I still got mine. Maybe I should just eat inside. Well, I wonder where that creature went with my gold.